In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC main error buffer deadlock prevented issue step by step. This is a common VLC media player error that can cause videos to freeze, stutter, or fail to play properly, especially on higher resolution files or certain codecs. The good news is that this problem can usually be fixed in just a few minutes by adjusting a few settings inside VLC. I'll walk you through each fix one by one, starting with the simplest solution and moving to more advanced options. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to try is disabling hardware acceleration. This setting is often the main cause of the buffer deadlock prevented error, especially if your graphics drivers don't play nicely with VLC. Open VLC Media Player, then click on Tools at the top and select Preferences. Make sure you're in Simple mode. Now click on Input and Codecs. Look for the option called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. By default, this is usually set to Automatic. Click the drop-down and change it to Disable. Once you've done that, click Save at the bottom and restart VLC. After restarting, try playing your video again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to change the video output module. Different systems work better with different output modes, and switching this setting often resolves playback errors. Open VLC again and go to Tools, then Preferences. This time, click on the Video tab. Find the Output setting. From the drop-down menu, choose a different option than what you're currently using. Common choices to try are DirectX, OpenGL, or GDI. Select one, click Save, then completely close and reopen VLC. Test your video again. If it doesn't work, you can repeat this step and try another output option until you find the one that works best on your system. The third fix is increasing the file caching value. Low caching can cause VLC to struggle with buffering, especially for large or high bitrate files. To do this, go to Tools, Preferences, then Input and Codecs again. Look for file caching, measured in milliseconds. The default value is usually quite low. Change this value to somewhere between 1000 and 2000 milliseconds. This gives VLC more time to buffer the video and can prevent deadlock errors. Click Save and restart VLC once more to apply the change. If you're still seeing the error, it's time to reset VLC preferences. Sometimes old or corrupted settings can cause ongoing issues. Open VLC, go to Tools, then Preferences. At the bottom of the window, click Reset Preferences. Confirm the reset, then close and reopen VLC. This will return all settings to their default values, so you may need to reconfigure things like subtitles or audio later, but it often fixes stubborn playback problems. As a final step, if none of the previous fixes worked, reinstalling VLC is the best option. Uninstall VLC completely from your system, then visit the official VLC website and download the latest version. Installing the newest version ensures you have the latest bug fixes, codec updates, and compatibility improvements. Once installed, open VLC and test your video again. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the VLC main error buffer deadlock prevented problem and get your videos playing smoothly again. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.